Inzwai Patricia Murambinda, General Manager Corporate Affairs yeDelta Corporation. Nasi takaungana paDelta tichipemberera vana vedu vakagraduate mugore rino ra2023. Vana ava vakabva pamabhezari scheme yatinosapota sekambani yeDelta. Program iyi takatanga kuisapota kana kuti takaiparura mugore ra2000 kureva kuti taane 23 years tichisapota vana vasingakwanise kubhadhara maschool fees kuti vakwanise kuenda kuchikoro. Vana ava tinovatorera paform 4 kusvika vapedza kuyunivhesiti. Nhasi tine vana vanoita vatanhatu vagraduata kumayunivhesiti akasiyana siyana emuno munyika anosanganisira University of Zimbabwe, NAST Africa University. Vagraduata nemadhigirii akasiyana siyana anosanganisira medicine, computer science nebiochemist degrees. Saka nhasi tavadaidza kuno kuDelta kuti vasangane nevamwe vasati vagraduata, tipemberere pamwe chete navo neavo vagraduata kuti vagodzidza kubva kwavari kuti vakwanise kupedza madhigirii avari kuita mumayunivhesiti edu.
Delta became a second father to me, and the father also came with family. That is my fellow mabhezari beneficiaries, and Ms. Murambinda and her team, and I received so much mentorship.
So firstly, I want to extend my gratitude. I'm so thankful. Thank you guys for the opportunity, because for me personally, Delta bursary program came into my life when I had no hope at all, right? At the time, my father had lost his job, and I was sure that I was not going to continue with my education. And as I was in the process of trying to, accept that and move on and pick up the pieces and work with what I had, my dad got called from someone amongst you guys, right? And that was like a beam of light in the darkness, right? And it helped me to channel all my energy towards my education and trying to better myself, because that was the only chance I had. So I couldn't mess up, right? And going on with my story, I had siblings, right, who were also facing the same challenge that I had, and I couldn't just look. And I knew good and well that it was not my responsibility to do so, but I just felt like I had to do something. So as I was at school, I went out of my way to better my software development skills, graphic design skills, and I started working as I was at school to support the people at home. And I don't think I would have done this if I had not gotten the opportunity to further my education, because it brought back all the hope that I'd lost. I would gravitate towards them, and I remember I took a walk because it was really intense, and I'd given up, and an opportunity came when I least expected it. So what I want to say to you guys is, if you have a dream or something that you're so passionate about or something that you want to pursue, sometimes hope is all you have, and don't give that up, eh? Don't give that up, because if the scholarship had not come right in time, I could have taken my life, or I could have resorted to drugs. But God has a way of just making things work. I don't know how to explain it.